Hello, welcome to our channels. In today's video we want to show you how to plant yam. Even inside your compound you can plant it. So this one is the head that we want to plant. We have already put ashes here. You put ashes here, so if you want to plant it, you make it to sit on the inside. We are going to show you, just wait. So this one, you can also cut your yam like this. So with ashes, they put ash to where the open one. So this is where you are going to put on the ground. There is so many ways that you can plant yam, but this is one way that I want to show you. Yeah.
Stop it. That's at all.
So the reason why we put ash is because of termites, so that they will not feed on it. You may put it, you may not put it. It's not necessary. So look at this one. This is how we are going to plant this one. Put it on the ground, just a little deep, not too deep. Then you cover it. You cover it. Now mulch it. You put plants for mulching. So on it, if you have if some light is too much, it can affect the growth. Then you put a little bit of, because the period that this period is sunny, so you have to mulch it. But if it is in rainy season, you may not need mulching. So you cover this one. You see how this one, that's how you are going to plant it. So you mulch it, put a little bit of sand to hold it down. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you. This is the outcome of the yam that we planted 7 to 8 weeks ago. So it's growing, you can see it's growing. So you need to be weeding all this so that they will not be dragging the nutrient with it. So you can see that it's growing now. So the next thing is that it will get to a stage where now we will stake it. That's just it. Stake it. See the second one. You know, we planted it the same day, the same time. So, and this one just goes small. You can remember this one is the head one that we planted. This one is not the head, it's this thing. We cut this one from the yam. So it's growing too, but this one is more faster than this one. So that's it. So you'll be weeding all the way there, so that they will not drag the nutrient with the yam. So it's going, you can see. So you too can try that. Even if it's only the one that you are eating at home, you want to eat at home, you can try it. It's not necessary that this time. You can also turn it. Farming is good though, it's very sweet. So remember, if you want to grow any seedling, give us a call, or you want to get any seed, just get in touch with us. We can help you to grow any type of seedling that you want to plant. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Just click the bell button and then subscribe to our channel for more tips like this. Something you can just do at home. This is sweet potato. So you can see it. It's just inside our compound that we are doing this. So just the one that can just eat. So subscribe to our channels. Thank you. Bye bye.